Good morning friends and welcome back to a new vlog. I think this vlog is going to be a week in my life vlog. Today is Monday. Let me check. Today is Monday, April 27th. It is 10:30 right now. I already dropped off my son at school. I got ready, did my makeup, had my morning coffee, had some breakfast, and now I am getting ready to shoot the Mother's Day collection. So yesterday I finished the last few bits that I had to make for the Mother's Day collection. So today is the day that I'm going to shoot it, and I also need to edit the pictures today and then also add the products on my Shopify store because I am a little bit late when it comes to the Mother's Day collection. I think Mother's Day is in like less than 2 weeks, so a bit late. I am doing my little setup right now so that I can start taking pictures in the morning now that the sun is still shining. I had a market last Saturday, but I did film that in a separate video, and then this week on Sunday I also have a market, which again I'm going to film in a separate video. So this week's like weekly vlog will be from Monday to Saturday. Let's get going with the pictures. Alright, I have my laptop right here and I am importing all of the pictures that I just took. I hope they will turn out fine. It's always a gamble. I'm not the best photographer. It is now 11 in the morning. I would like to have everything up by tonight, so fingers crossed I can get that done. I'm also giving away free recipe books to anyone that orders tonight. I think I'm going to add it with like any minimum orders, I think 60 euros, and hopefully that will boost sales a little bit. It's also a great gift idea to any moms or friends out there. So yeah, lots of work to get done. I switched over to my desk because my laptop ran out of battery, but I just finished editing all of the pictures and I already made a few like social media posts. I edited a few videos. So this is the vibe for the Mother's Day collection. I love it so much, but I still need to add all of these products onto the website, so that usually takes a while as well, because I also need to calculate all of my cost of goods. That way I can price them correctly. For my like standard products, I know what price I need to ask, but I have, for example, a coffee mug candle and stuff like that. So for that I need to figure out how much it cost me to make, and that way I know how much I can ask for it. But it's already 12:30, so I'm going to figure out something for lunch, and then I'm going to add them onto my website. I already posted on social media that it will be live tonight at 7 p.m. I won't be home tonight. We are going to IKEA, but I will have to post when I'm in the car or something like that. The campaign that I'm doing with the recipe journal is for like everything on the website, so not just the Mother's Day collection. So I'm really curious what the turnout will be tonight. Alright, I'm taking a quick little break. I'm actually heading over to my mom's and just sit in the garden for a while. I have to walk my dog anyways, so it's nicer if he can just play in the garden. But I wanted to make myself an iced matcha. However, my ice cubes are not done yet. They're still liquid. So I just made myself a warm matcha because I already made the matcha before realizing that I didn't have any ice cubes. So I'm just going to take my hot matcha with me, and yeah, just going to work a little bit on my phone, prepare even more stuff for socials tonight. Let's do a quick outfit check before I leave. My jacket is from Zara. my blouse as well. Pants are from Abercrombie, and I also got a new perfume from Zara. This is the Coconut Tropic Tides, and oh my god, this smells like a vacation. It smells absolutely divine. But yeah, let's go and take a quick break. I just inhaled some perfume. Wouldn't recommend. I just picked up Jack from school. Wat ben je aan het eten?
Ja, in Asia.
In Asia. So my workday is actually done. I'm going to wait for him to finish his ice cream. And then we are heading over to IKEA this evening. Heb jij je sheetje gelaten?
Nee. En Holland.
Ja, zoetje.
Mama, dit is mijn huisje.
Dat is jouw huisje hier? Ja. Dat is van Jack, hè?
Ja. Mag daar niet afpakken?
Nee, niemand gaat dat afpakken, hè?
Nee. Het is gedaan.
Is het gedaan? Okay.
Dada.
Good morning, friends. It is the next day today. It is Tuesday, April 28th. It's actually already noon, but as you can see, I am at the store today. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I usually have a shift at the store. So today won't be a very exciting day because I am just again doing a lot of work in the store. I have a lot of computer work to get done. I also have a few new oak products that I took with me from my home, so I need to add those into my computer and then into the store. We already sold a few things as well, so I am just restocking what I sold. So yeah, today is just a busy working day. Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday. It's the next day. I just got ready and we're about to leave and go to the theme park. Wednesdays are usually my day off, so I'm going to try and not do anything for work today, but we're about to leave, and I will try and film a few clips, but if I don't, I will see you guys tomorrow. Jack, now how are we? Yeah. Good morning, friends. It's another beautiful day today. It's Tuesday. It is a beautiful and sunny day today, which makes me feel very happy. I did wake up with a pounding headache, so I already took some medicine and I am waiting for it to kick in because today I have a shift at the store in Bruges. And then tonight I am also going out to eat with friends. Fingers crossed that the headache goes away. But yeah, it is now 10:20 in the morning. So in about 5 minutes I do have to leave and go to Bruges. But yesterday something really cool arrived. I ordered a new, like, I don't know what this is called, a refrigerator box? I don't know. But it's like a small lunch box for when I do markets. I have this in like a very big version and I took it with me this weekend. And for one person, it is just way too big. I ordered that years ago for our family, for when we go to the beach or something. But I ordered a smaller size for myself. That way it doesn't take up too much space. But this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. It's like a soft lilac color and then it has these camel details. On the inside, it also comes with 2 little lunch boxes. So yeah, I am very excited to use this for upcoming markets. I usually spend a lot of money on foods at the market itself, but I want to make a habit of taking my lunch boxes with me. So this will come in very handy, and again, it is way smaller than the other one that I have. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys my newest addition to my market supplies. As I mentioned, I do have a market on Sunday. So yeah, but first, let's go to Bruges now. morning, friends. It is the next day today. It's Friday. It's actually not morning, it is already noon. But as you can hear my voice, biggest joke, I am getting sick again. If you guys have seen any of my recent vlogs, you would know that I have been sick basically all winter long. And I thought that when spring came around that would stop, but apparently it doesn't. But yeah, yesterday I went out to eat with a friend and now I just got ready and I'm about to leave to head on over to my mom's. I'm going to have lunch in her garden. My son is actually there as well. It's a holiday today, so he doesn't have school. So he is at my mom's. So I'm going to go there and have some lunch. And then in the afternoon, I'm going to get started on some wax melts. This is, by the way, the dress that I am wearing. It is from Abercrombie and I love it so much. Of course, I'm not going to wear socks with it. I just love wearing socks around the house, but I'm just going to wear some open shoes with it. But yeah, I'm about to leave and head on over and enjoy the sun for a little bit. It is a beautiful sunny day today. So I'm excited to just get some vitamin D on my face.
Jackie betaald.
Nee.
Nee.
Sanokje, wat hebben jullie gedaan?
Betaald.
Hebben jullie dat gekocht?
Ja.
Yeah.
Wat hebben we gekocht?
Alright, so I got home a few hours ago from my mom's. I am just seeing that I actually am a little bit burned. But I have been home for a couple of hours and honestly, I'm not feeling the best. And I'm just feeling very unmotivated and very unproductive, which I hate feeling this way, but it is a reality of being a business owner. You are your own boss, and if sometimes you don't feel like doing anything, there is no one pushing you to do it. So yeah, I laid out everything that I need to pack today. So that is something that I do want to do today. But aside from that, I don't think I will be doing a lot. I'm feeling very tired. I didn't sleep well. My throat is hurting. My nose is stuffy. So yeah. So I definitely feel like this vlog is going to be very boring and short and not what you're used to from my weekly small business vlogs, but that is just the way life goes, honestly. It was very cute though. My boyfriend is working on his food truck in my mom's garden and Jack is helping him because he loves to help his dad. It is so cute how he thinks he's helping, when in reality it takes longer when he helps, but it is just so cute to see. So far, the little update on how my day is going. Not very great, honestly. Right, I am going to pack some online orders right now because that is something that I really need to do. But aside from that, I don't think I will do much because I have a pounding headache once again. I had one yesterday and it is coming back. And as you can see, I look dead and tired. So I'm just going to do those online orders and that will be it for today. I'm sorry. First up, we have an order for Lana. And Lana is one of my regular customers. She always picks up her orders from my store in Bruges. So I am just going to put it in a little bag. There are a few things missing from her order that I need to get from my store in Bruges, so I'm not going to be able to pack up everything that she ordered, but I will pack up what I do have here. She ordered our I Love You Mom candle, I am guessing for Mother's Day, and then an Oopsie Daisy wax melt, a Spring Garden wax melt, and then I am missing our book stack wax melter and our flower shop wax melts, which I still have in store, so I'm just going to add those later on. And of course, I'm also going to add some samples. I will give her an iced matcha tea light sample, a violet candy wax melt sample, and then also a lavender wax melt sample. So that is the first order done. I forgot her recipe journal, which I'll be adding in her bag as well. Next up, we have Jennifer's order. She ordered the I Love You Mom candle and then also a book stack wax melter. These are so popular right now. I'm just going to check if it is packaged up pretty well, and it is. I am adding our tropical beach room spray. This is a new one for our summer collection that is yet to launch. First adding some packing peanuts, of course. Since it is a gift for Mother's Day, I'm assuming I am going to add it in one of our cotton bags. I don't always use these because they are expensive, but if I know it's a gift, I will try and use these. Adding in an Oopsie Daisy Wax melt sample and also a Flower Shop tea light sample. And this is what Jennifer's box looks like. There you go. Thank you so much, Jennifer, for ordering. And then lastly, I have a wholesale order to pack. We have a Flower Shop candle, a dried flower candle, Spring Garden I Love You Mom, and then a dog and cat mom candle. So let's go ahead and pack that up as well. And that is the last order done for today. All packed up and ready to go.
I'll make a food here.
Ja?
Ja.
En vond je dat leuk?
Ja.
Ja? Waar ben je aan het eten nu?
Die
Wat is dat? Vertel het een keer.
kakeltje.
Ja.
En kipje.
En ketchup.